if you are someone who is in machine learning field and want to pursue your career in this field, and right now you are searching for a right internship, means you want to kickstart your career as a maybe machine learning intern, then you are at right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a machine learning internship opportunity that is paid, means you will get a stipend up to 15K based on your performance. Apart from stipend, you can also get a full time job offer from the same company after your internship, but that totally depends on your performance, right? So, and apart from this opportunity, I'll tell you like how to tailor your resume accordingly. If you want to apply for this, then how to tailor your resume. It's not that there's a general resume you have and apply for everything, for any internship or for any job. You just apply with the same resume. No, you have to tailor your resume according to the description. So I'll tell you some tips also. Don't worry, right? But before that, I just want to tell you one thing. If during this summer break you want to upskill yourself, you want to learn Java or DSA, then you can check out my courses, DSA with Java and Java courses. The link you will get in the description box of this video. You go and check out. Now, in this DSA with Java course, first you will get complete Java, and then we will be covering DSA from basic to advanced. Apart from theory classes, we will solving lead code question, placement questions, projects, quizzes, assignments. And apart from this, I know you will get stuck if you are going for any, if you're learning something, that is for sure that you will feel stuck. Then every week we will have a live doubt resolution session every week. So you can just join that live session and ask a doubt there. Apart from this, you have access to dedicated WhatsApp group. So there also you can ask a doubt. So I'm just like one message away from you in that case. After this, you will get a course completion certificate as well, and my detailed notes, handwritten notes you will get for every topic. So that are like yes, very good for revision. And this is the best offer we are providing. Like there is a coupon code gift 15. You will get extra 15% discount on this offer. But still, many students mail me that, ma'am, we genuinely want to purchase this course. So in that case, I'm just telling you a mail ID, info@jenny'slectures.com. You please mail your case if you are genuinely interested. Then only you mail your case there, and we will review your case and see what extra discount we can provide for you, right? So if you are interested only in Java, for Java also on my website there is a course you can go and check out. The link for both the courses you will get in the description box of this video. You can go and check out. All right. So for Java also we have the same course. You will get Java and plus live session, live doubt resolution session, as well as dedicated WhatsApp group also. Right. Now let's see what is this machine learning internship. So here just recently they have rolled out this notification, machine learning intern. And what is the is eligibility for this internship? First, let me just tell you that thing. So, see, you have to be enrolled in, or if you are a graduate of a relevant program like computer science, AI, data science, or related field, then you are able to apply for this. It means if you are a graduate, then also you can apply, or if you are currently pursuing this thing, BTech or any other program, but in this field, computer science, AI, data science, then you can apply for this. And you should have obviously knowledge of machine learning concept and algorithm. And if you're good in Python or R, anyone, Python or R, it's you are well suited, and you have strong analytical and teamwork skill. Now what you will get stipend up to 15K based on your performance, hands-on machine learning experience as well. You'll be working on like projects. So it's not that certificate, you'll get a certificate and that kind of thing. No, practically you are working on machine learning projects and you will get hands-on experience that you can add in your resume, certificate as well as a letter of recommendation, and real world project contribution for your portfolio. You will be working on the real world projects, right? Now see, here you will be working as a machine learning intern. You will work on real world projects, so you will gain some practical experience. That is very good. What will be your responsibility? Design, test and optimize machine learning models, analyze and pre-process data set, develop algorithm and predictive models. And you have to use tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit learn. So obviously if you are good in these things, then you are a very well like suited candidate for this internship. Okay, it's a 3-month internship, remote, so you don't need to go there, it's online. So I think that is a plus point. And you can also get a full time based on your performance with certificate of internship. But deadline for this is 3rd of June. It's already 2nd of June, I guess. I'm recording this video. and they have just rolled out this. So the very short period they have given, only one day to apply for this internship. And see, meet the hiring team, Paras Grover. So you can click here and you can personally message contact to him that you have applied for this internship. This is a resume, and whatever good points you have about that, you can just frame a very good message with your resume also, maybe if you want, and you can send. Personally, you can contact him. Now, how to tailor your resume? As you can see, now some keywords for this internship like machine learning, Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and R, or these things. So you have to add, if you have done some machine learning kind of project based on machine learning, add those projects. Highlight those skills, machine learning skills. If maybe you have done some certification, add that course also. Your projects, if you have done previously any internship, add that also. But focus on machine learning. You have to show that you are passionate about working in this field for this internship. You have interest in machine learning. You have to frame your objective also in a such way that yeah, you are passionate about machine learning kind of thing. And if you have used, try to use these keywords, whatever keywords are given here. Python, if you have done something very well in Python, a project kind of thing, mention that. If you have done any course on Python, mention that. Or on R, mention that. Right? If you have done something that will show your teamwork skill, mention that also. Specifically, if you have 2 3 good ML project, that will really help you in this case. Right? So try to add or mention the keywords, whatever you are seeing here in this internship, those in your resume. Right? And your resume should be of only one page. That's it. Always check any grammatical or those errors, especially in technical terms, because that's a great negative point. Negative point if you have some grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes kind of thing. Please check your resume for that also. And mention your, if you have GitHub profile, mention that, especially in machine learning roles, that GitHub profile play a important role. If you have LinkedIn profile, mention that also, link of those LinkedIn and GitHub profile. So the link to apply for this internship also you will get in the description box of this video, but deadline is 3rd of June, so apply as soon as possible. And if you want a resume template to apply for this internship, or maybe not for this because deadline is 3rd of June, like this internship for machine learning, if you want to apply for any other machine learning internship, so you can just let me know in comment section. You can just write down a comment, resume template, so I'll send you, or maybe I'll add in the description box of this video. Okay, I hope this will help you. So that's it for this lecture. Now I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Take care.